Hi everyone, my name is Alicia, and in this video I'm going to be interviewing Lau, a recent LHPU alumni. So in this video he's going to be telling us about the courses that he took at LHPU, his hands-on and internship experiences, and how LHPU has helped him in his career search. So I'd like to just jump right in with you, Lau, and I want to ask, what courses did you take when you were a student at LHPU?
At LPHU, I've taken two different courses. One is gasoline at Pontiac, Michigan. The second one is autonomous vehicles course at Columbus, Indiana. So both of the courses, they have their own background. Gasoline with the engine controls and calibration stuff, and the autonomous course is related to more or less like sensor feedback, working with those, taking decisions, ADAS features and all those stuff.
Okay, so you mentioned taking two courses while you were a student at LHPU, and the first of those being the gasoline controls course. So what was your favorite part about that course?
In the gasoline control course, while we are working on the engine itself, the working code what we are writing is that actually working with the actual software. I would say like just playing with the hardware, whatever we want to do in accordance with the software.
And then the other course that you mentioned taking was the autonomous course. So what was the most enjoyable part about that experience for you?
In the autonomous course, we created a self-driving car without a human on the car. So it can take all the different sensor data and give it as inputs to the motors that it can run by itself. That's what I've enjoyed in the autonomous course.
Great, thank you, Lau. So now that we know about some of the courses that you took as an LHPU student, I want to ask you, what made you choose LHPU?
LHPU will help us to improve our soft skills as well as technical skills. This course will help us to improve our hands-on experience, what we studied theoretically in our school days, and opens a lot of doors in a lot of industries which we are looking for particular jobs.
Great. So as you said, LHPU offers so much hands-on experience to students. And I just kind of want to talk to you a little bit now about your internship opportunity. So what can you tell me about that experience?
When I completed my course, I had an opportunity at LHP to get involved in particular cars to work on that stuff. That internship opportunity helps me to work with different ECUs and their communications and different softwares that I never been exposed to. Helps me to improve my knowledge, and basically it helped me to look into particular jobs that I never been dreamed of or never been think of.
So you've had a lot of hands-on experience through your courses and your internship with LHPU. So now I want to ask you, how did LHPU assist you and help you in your job search?
Well, thanks to LHP that I have been involved in a lot of mock interviews and training sessions, like one-on-one sessions, and improved my English, and the problems what I faced, I rectified it one by one and improved my job search. When I went to the job field, whenever they asked me the questions, I'm like very fluent that explain myself or sell myself. It helped me in a lot of ways.
Thanks, Lau. So my last question for you is just, what advice would you give to someone who is considering taking courses at LHPU?
When you are graduating from your school, you don't have any hands-on experience. Joining in LHP will provide you hands-on experience. What you studied in your master's or bachelor's degrees helps you to attain hands-on experience on each and every device. It can practically gives you a practical knowledge about what you studied.
All right, Lau, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about your experience as an LHPU student. If you'd like to find out more about the hands-on experience and training that you can get at LHPU, you can get in touch at lhpu.com.